So this is our first chapter of class 11th, Nature, Meaning and Scope of Educational Psychology. Psychology explains how human development is related to learning. Education attempts to provide the what of learning, and educational psychology is concerned with the why and when of learning. Present age is the age of science. Scientific advancements have changed the way of thinking of mankind. Such advancements have also vitally influenced educational field. Educational psychology helps a lot in the proper execution of the process of education. It not only provides various theories and laws for education, but also various levels of education. The basic role played by educational psychology is the improvement of the process of learning and teaching. So, as we all know that in which era we are living is the age of science, and there are a lot of scientific advancements happened, and these advancements have changed the way of thinking of people. These scientific advancements influence educational field. Even educational psychology helps a lot in the execution of proper, education. They provide theories, laws for education. They provide various levels of education. The basic role they played is the improvement of the process of learning and teaching. Okay. Okay, so let's just have a look at the meaning and definitions of education. So, what is education? The term education has been originated from the Latin term educatum, involving e and duca. The letter E means from inside and the word duca means to advance. Thus, education means to advance. Okay. From inside. So here education means to advance from inside. See, education कहाँ से originate हुआ है? It is originated from the Latin term educatum. Latin term के educatum से. Where E का क्या meaning है? इसमें दो words आते हैं E and duca. So E means from inside. Inside means inner, ठीक है? And duca means to advance. अभी हमें यहाँ पे ये देखना होगा दैट एजुकेशन मीन्स टू एडवांस फ्रॉम हियर. तो इसको समझने के लिए यू मस्ट लर्न अबाउट एजुकेशन. आपको जानना होगा कि एजुकेशन क्या है. सी, एजुकेशन इज अबाउट लर्निंग स्किल एंड नॉलेज. एजुकेशन क्या है? लर्निंग स्किल और नॉलेज के बारे में है. इट ऑल्सो मीन्स हेल्पिंग पीपल टू लर्न हाउ टू डू थिंग्स एंड सपोर्ट देम टू थिंक अबाउट वॉट दे learn. Education gave us a knowledge of the world around us and changes it into something better. It help us building opinions and have point of views on things in life. अब education क्या है? एजुकेशन हमें लर्निंग स्किल और नॉलेज बताता है. एजुकेशन हमें हेल्प करता है एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सेट करने के लिए, एक ओपिनियन सेट करने के लिए, एक अच्छी मेंटालिटी, एक थिंकिंग बनाने के लिए. और ना सिर्फ अपनी एजुकेशन हमें हेल्प करता है कि हम इफ़ वी आर एजुकेटेड पीपल, तो हमें इतना एबिलिटी होती है, हमें इतनी एबिलिटी होती है कि हम दूसरों को भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं या सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं कि वो किस तरीके से एक अच्छी थिंकिंग को मेंटेन करें, किस तरीके से वो अपनी ओपिनियन बनाए, अपनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बनाए और उसे रखें. सो इट ऑल इज पॉसिबल थ्रू एजुकेशन. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू understand the meaning, the significance of education. Education is important for our personality development. Not only personality, even education is important for our physical, mental, intellectual development. In short, you can say that education is important for the whole development of a human being. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.